Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have n to the power of 6 is equals to n minus 2 to the power of 6, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So here we find all the roots of this problem. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we move this n minus 2 to the power of 6 in the left hand side, and we will obtain here n to the power of 6 minus n minus 2 to the power of 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And after this step we will rearrange this term, and we can rewrite as n to the power of 3 and its whole squared, minus, here we write this term as n minus 2 cubed and its whole squared is equals to 0. After that, you can see here we have a squared minus b squared, so that we can write this equation as a squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we can use this nice formula. So according to this formula we will write the above equation as n cubed minus n minus 2 whole cubed into n cubed plus n minus 2 whole cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we have two cases. The first case is we take n cubed minus n minus 2 cubed is equal to 0, and the other case is we take n cubed plus n minus 2 cubed is equals to 0. So here I can named this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So now I can solve these two equations one by one. So now first I can solve the equation number 1. So from equation number 1 you can see that we can apply here a cubed minus b cubed whole formula, and you can know about a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a squared plus ab plus b squared. So now first I can apply this nice formula on the case number 1. So the case number 1 will becomes in the form of n minus n minus 2 into n squared plus n times of n minus 2 plus n minus 2 whole squared, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So now I can simplify the terms, and now we multiply this minus sign on both of the terms, and you will get here n minus n plus 2 into, now we can simplify this factor and you will get n squared plus n squared minus 2n plus, here we can open this square and you will get n squared plus 4 minus 4n, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you can see that these n are cancelled by each other, and here you get 2 times of here we have n square plus n square plus n square, and it is equals to 3 times of n square, and here we have minus 4n and minus 2n, it is equals to minus 6n, and this is plus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we can move this 2 in the right hand side, or you can just divide both sides by 2, and you will finally got here 3n square minus 6n plus 4 is equal to 0. So now this equation will becomes in the quadratic form. So now we can use here the nice quadratic formula in order to solve this problem. So here we have the value of a is 3 and b is minus 6 and c is 4, and the nice quadratic formula is n is equals to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. And now we can put all the values of a, b and c in this nice formula, and you will get the values in this form. Here you have b, and the value of b is minus 6, so when you can put here you will get plus 6, and plus minus the minus 6 square is equals to 36, minus 4 times of a is 3 and c is 4, and its whole square root over 2 times of a, and a is equals to 3. And now in the next step we can just simplify these terms, and you will get here 6 plus minus 36 minus 4 times of 3 is 12, and 12 fours are 48 square root over 3 twos are 6. And now we can simplify the terms, and you will get here 6 plus minus 36 minus 48 is equals to minus 12 square root over 6, and we can write this minus 12 as 4 times of 3 square root into minus 1 square root over 6. And you know that minus 1 square root is equals to iota, so that you will finally got the values of n is 6 plus minus, here you have square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 3 times of iota over 6. And now we can take common 2 on the upsides, and you will get here 3 plus minus square root of 3 iota over 3. And finally you will get these two values of n. So these are the first two roots of the given equation. So now in order to find the other roots, we will move towards to solve this equation number 2. So now we can solve this equation number 2, and here you see that we have a cubed plus b cubed, and now we can use the formula here, a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a squared plus ab plus b square. And now we can apply here this nice formula on the above term. So this term will be written as n plus n minus 2 times of here you have, sorry, this is the negative sign, because a cube plus b cube is a plus b times of a squared minus ab plus b square. And here you have a square, and a is n squared minus n times of n minus 2 plus n minus 2 whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we can simplify the terms, and here you get 2n minus 2 times of n squared minus n squared plus 2n plus here we open this formula, and you will get n squared plus 4 minus 4n, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you can simplify the terms, and here you see that these two are cancelled by each other, and we obtain 2n minus 2 into n squared minus 3n plus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we take 2n minus 2 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take n square minus 3n plus 4 is equals to 0. So in this case you will get the value of n is 1. This is the third root, and here we can use the nice quadratic formula in order to solve this one. So here we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to 4. And now I can put directly these values in the quadratic formula, and you will get, after some simplification, 2 plus minus square root of minus 12 over 2. And now we can again simplify this term, and you will get here 1 plus minus square root of 3 and iota. So these are the other two complex roots. So finally we have 5 roots of this question, and in which 4 are complex and 1 are the real root. And this is our final answer of this question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.